It never rains in Salt Lake City anymore. What happened? Are you seeing this? I think this might call for an adventure. Okay, so all of a sudden Salt Lake City decided to start snowing like crazy. So yesterday we bought a sled, right? We've never sled before, so we're gonna go sledding for the first time. I'm so excited. So we're going to a golf course near Park City, and it's supposed to be the longest sledding mountain around here. I don't know if that's true, but never been. Hopefully there is snow there. I don't know. Every time we try to go play in the snow, there's never snow there. But this is the outfit. I'm like a stuffed burrito. I'm so scared. Yeah. Alright. I guess. I just saw that. Oh my god. He's still trying to slide. He's literally walking on. Slide.
Go that way? Go this way? Ready?
I guess. Yeah, this is where I fell last time. Okay, I need to go back to the other hill. He's sliding so freaking slow.
Okay, you ready? You ready? Oh, let him go.
I'm so out of breath right now.
I'm getting hot. Serious.
Oh my god. After we get bored, let's go to snowman or
So we just go in that area like over there where it's all untouched.
Definitely.
That way we get away from everybody too.
No one's way. Come back here and practice skiing.
And now look, they're literally skiing over there.
They're
going so fast. Oh my god.
You practice here. That way, when you're ready for the big sled, big hills. Sounds good. I'm so glad this place is free, and the fact that they don't have security guard here for the golf course, it's like they don't give a shit about.
I mean, it's not destroying anything.
Exactly. I need water too.
This is a workout going up the hill.
We'll burn calories today.
I don't think I should be wearing this hat anymore. It's way too hot. One thermal.
Yeah, you're fine. Just trying to see. Because like, yeah, it is actually.
Oh yeah. I don't even want to wear my gloves, honestly, because they're kind of overheating my hand right now. I'm gonna take them. I'm gonna take them off for now.
Fine. Plus, you can clip them.
That is so enthusiastic. Wow. The most uneventful slide ever.
I know. So eventful, you know.
I felt because I was trying to like go the other way so I don't hit the lady.
No, I get it. What's up?
Wow.
What's up?
Wow. Okay. We're taking a break. I'm literally so tired and like overheated even though I'm covered in snow.
Not to go that hard right now.
Yeah.
Oh.
What'd she say?
Need to tell the guys to get off the track when people are sledding down.
They just need to walk on the outside.
Whatever. I didn't know how to steer. I was just like, oh crap, I have her just crash right now or else out.
Why is she blaming the people that are sledding? She just needs to get out the way.
Yeah, no, I just thought sorry. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Oh no!
Ow! It just
It destroyed the ramp.
you thought it just went plunk.
It wasn't compacted enough, I guess.
It's
Okay. I'm gonna go down one more time. You videotape me.
okay. You fell down again too.
Of course I did. Because I'm trying to get more speed. I went way further than he did. there, and then.
It looks like a head. Look.
Wait, no. No. Don't do that.
Just making a face.
No, because I'm gonna make a face with this. Okay, good enough. Now take a picture.
Our snowman.
Take a picture.
Our snow mound.
Of me with it.
Sounds good. I know.
I feel my hand.
I feel that.
My phone. Oh, it's so cold. It's so cold in there. I can't feel my hand at all.
Trust me, I feel like I got snow in this glove too.
Ooh. You're covered in snow.
How's it look?
Oh, that was an angel.
Looks nice.
I know.
Okay, my turn.
Of course. Oh, why not pick this up? Boo boo.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
How do you do this? Why is the snow so heavy?
It's because you're pushing on it. There you go. You got it.
Okay. Okay, how do I get up without ruining?
I know. That's the hard part.
Oh no.
I know. You made one too.
That's my butt.
Ew.
Okay, so it's another day, and we made it again to. We're here again to go sledding for a second time because you know that's so much fun. But today's a little bit different because there's not as much snow as there was last night. Okay.
I don't have that much courage to do it.
No, you have to do it.
I'm scared.
That's the point. Okay.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
My butt. That hurts. How are the kids doing that?
This is dumb.
No.
Hey, you're forgetting something.
Did I drop my glasses?
Yeah.
That hurts my spine.
You'll be okay. You got it.
Okay. That hurt less though.
You want to record me?
Yeah, sure. Whoopish.
Oh, fuck.
Not going. It's a sign.
No, it's not. Oh my god. No. That was actually fun. The hell are you doing? You can't hit me, I'm Goku. Huh? I just saw this so cringe. I take it back.
What'd you say?
I said you can't hit me, I'm Goku.
What the hell?
Because I just thought of him dodging everything.
Well, you can't dodge everything. Dodge it.
One face to face, one at a time.
Okay.
Feel pressure.
Peer pressure.
Your turn. You're being recorded, so be careful I don't fall. Don't make it fall.
I'm just gonna do this.
Like that?
Good job.
It's not the same. It was actually fun. There was like a lot of snow coming out your face.
Go, Cindy, go.
Am I even fit? I don't think I'm fit.
I said the same thing and it worked.
Just lift your feet.
Yeah.
There you go.
You're going See? Wait, but if you do it laying down on the ramp, maybe you won't hit the spine though. Really? Yeah. You hit your stomach? Oh no. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. My camera. Didn't hurt at all. Your turn. That was actually really fun. It was better than sitting down. I wish you could see it. It went up so slowly. What the heck?
Isn't that fine?
Yes.
Ready?
No. I keep sliding even though I'm not inside. Really? Yeah, because look at the grass. Okay. What happened? What happened?
What am I doing?
Oh my god, I shouldn't have done this actually. This is so painful. I'm still going. And we hit the grass. I went so far.